Okay, quick video on how to test a Bafang display, the UART version on the CAN bus. So basically what you're looking at, the display connector, it looks like this. I made a little drawing here just to make sure the wiring I got is the correct way. You don't have to splice anything, cut anything. This is just an adapter that I use not to alter or putting pins into the small connector here. So basically I'm sending 44 volts. There's 44 volts coming from a power supply, and I'm using also a clamp meter just to show that what the current is flowing. Power supply comes in here, goes through a watt meter, just because the power supply display is burned, so I can't show it to you. And I'm sending the 44 volts to the bottom pin here, which is called P plus battery, basically. And the ground is connected to the black wire, which is the ground on the connector. And I'm monitoring the voltage that is called PL. That voltage is what turns on the controller. So when you push the button, the display turns on and sends all the voltage present here to here without any voltage drop. So if you're sending 44 volts, you should be measuring 44 volts. The display just basically shorts out the two pins when it powers up. So here I got a display, a meter. It's showing 0 volts. I'm measuring PL. This is what's on that pin currently, and there's no current being pulled. So I'm gonna turn on the egg rider. It's powering up. I got 10 milliamp, about it, 11. No voltage drop. It can't measure any small current, so it's staying at the same thing. But I got the 44.75 volts. Basically the same thing on the input. And when I turn it down, it goes back to 0. As simple as this. Might seem all complicated, but just remember, when you connect the battery to it, you're sending 48 volts between those two pins. When you push the power button, you can measure between these two the same voltage that you're getting here. So in my case, 44 volts here. When the display is powered, 44 volts again between the two. Then we know the display is good. If you get a voltage drop between these two pins, there's a problem with the display, because basically we just isolated the display from everything else on the bike. So if you're getting a voltage drop here, it means the display is bad. If you're getting nothing here, display is bad. So hope that helps.